Ever wondered how planets like Earth came to be? Billions of years ago, before our sun even existed, there was just dust, lonely, drifting particles in the cold darkness of space. But from this dust, entire worlds were born. Let's uncover the epic story of how planets form. It all begins in a massive cloud of gas and dust, a nebula. Gravity steps in like the hand of a cosmic artist, pulling this chaos into order. As the dust collapses, a young star ignites at the center, surrounded by a swirling disk of gas and dust, the Protoplanetary disk, the nursery of planets. Here's where the magic begins. Tiny dust grains collide, some stick, some shatter, but the survivors grow, slowly building into pebbles. From specks to stones, these humble particles start the journey to becoming planets. Yet the road isn't easy. As these clumps grow, they face the meter-sized barrier. Imagine trying to build a tower only for gravity to tear it down. But through mysterious forces like turbulence and gravity, these clumps leap the barrier and grow into planetesimals, cosmic seeds ready to bloom into worlds. Now, location determines destiny. Closer to the star, it's a scorched furnace. Only metals and rock survive, paving the way for terrestrial planets like Earth. Farther out, where it's cold enough to freeze, icy materials dominate, giving rise to gas and ice giants like Jupiter and Neptune. But here's where things get dramatic. These planetesimals don't just grow, they collide, shatter and merge in spectacular cosmic crashes. These giant impacts shape entire worlds and even give birth to moons. Yes, our moon owes its existence to one such collision. In the outer realms, cores of icy materials grow rapidly, pulling in massive amounts of gas. This is how giants like Jupiter were born, powerful enough to shape the entire solar system with their gravity. And we're not just guessing. Today, telescopes like ALMA and the James Webb Space Telescope have shown us stunning images of these processes in action. Rings and gaps in distant protoplanetary disks reveal planets being born, live before our eyes. Sometimes the universe throws us surprises. Scientists recently discovered a planet forming in just 3 million years, an eye blink in cosmic terms. This discovery is rewriting what we thought we knew about planet formation. From stardust to giants, the story of planet formation is one of transformation, perseverance, and beauty. Every planet has its own journey, and it all starts with the tiniest grains of dust. What other secrets does the universe hold? Stay curious, there's so much more to explore. Super subscribe for more cosmic adventures and stories of the universe on Screen Text.